So we're going to go ahead and practice downloading and getting some assets, and then we're going to build a first-person shooter game. So this will be lesson one. You should have already created the project. Make sure that you choose the 3D render pipeline. Make sure you name it appropriately and make sure you put it in one of your document files on your C drive. So that means it's under this PC, documents, and you have a new folder inside there. And call it whatever you want, but I would call it FPS. So this, we should have the right version up here. Yours is probably 2249. And then make sure that one's correct. 3D, FPS, and where you're going to put it. So this is mine. I opened up. And we're going to get some assets here. So you are going to go to the Unity Asset Store. You are going to sign in using your school account. And you are going to go get this adventure game environment. So it's probably going to bring up a bunch of environments, but this is what you're typing in to the Asset Store after you've signed in. And this is what we're getting. So you're going to go ahead and open it up in Unity. It'll tell you to bring it aside there. So once you do that, it's going to come into your package manager, and you're going to see it in here. So it'll install it and then put it inside your game. So when you do, you'll come here and you'll see under Unity Technologies Adventure Game Environment. Now, once you do that, we're going to have to, it's going to be pink. So you're going to have to go up to first of all, make sure in your package manager that you have the Universal Pipeline installed. So that would be under Registry, Universal Render Pipeline. Make sure you have that in your registry, Universal RP. Then once you do that, you're going to, let me just click on the adventure game. You're going to go up to Window, Rendering, and we'll go to the Render Pipeline Converter. Okay? From here, you're going to click on Rendering Settings, Render Material Upgrade, both of these, and then you're going to convert assets, and then you're going to initialize and convert. So when I first did this, everything was pink, but now everything is the correct color. So, and you can see from here, let's click on this. That is pretty cool. They've got some examples. This is everything you're given. These are different ways of putting everything together. So it's got some pretty nice stuff. So once you download it, then you're going to bring it into your game. I'm going to ask you what's the first thing you're going to do. Yeah, we're going to name a scene. So, File, Save As, Scenes, I'd say Adventure, I'm going to call mine Adventure Download. So I've just downloaded it, I'm going to fool around with it. So if you're going to get started with it, so these are the different materials. I just put a wall inside here, and I think I need textures. Let's see. Textures. So these are my different textures. There we go. So you're going to go down to the adventure game and then get down to the textures. and then you can just sort of drag these on. Yeah, it's probably not good. But anyway, fool around with it. Every time we do something, of course, you're going to save scene. And we're going to do this project for a couple months, so we have plenty of time to get these walls in and get these stalls in, get these different signs in, etc., and sort of build our little city. And then we're going to move around it and hopefully shoot a few things. So anyway, when you're done, do submit an image to me. I don't care what you pull in. Just pull in something. Yeah, go to. So if you want to see everything, you would just click on this. I'm going to save it. This is everything you're going to have. If you want to, you could submit this if you want. So yeah, we got some pretty cool stuff here. Or go ahead and drag like a model in. Give me some walls. Give me some signs. Some floors. Here's the walls right here. And submit that. And remember, save a scene. And we will slowly build our game.